Welcome to NPA Teaching. Here I am going to discuss the properties of determinants. We are going to discuss 6 properties. Firstly, the value of a determinant remain unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. That means the determinant of a matrix equal to the determinant of its transpose. Now we consider the proof for property 1. Matrix A is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2. Now we want to find out the value of determinant A, and the value of determinant A we get 4. Now let us take the transpose of matrix A. Transpose of matrix A we will get the interchanging the rows into columns and columns into rows, and the new matrix A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 2. And again we want to find out the value of determinant of the transpose of matrix A. So again we will get the value is equal to 4. So after the interchanging the rows and columns of matrix A, we received the same value of determinant. Determinant A is equal to 4. Therefore, the value of a determinant remain unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. Secondly, interchanging any two rows and columns of a matrix will change the sign, but not the absolute value of the determinant. Consider the proof of property second of a matrix. Matrix A is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2. And the value of determinant of this matrix is equal to 4. Now we are interchanging the first and second rows. Then it becomes, that means the first row of matrix A, that is 1, 4, 2, now become the second row of matrix A. And the second row of matrix A, that is 3, 5, 4, now become the first row of matrix A. And after that, we want to find the value of determinant. Again, we received the value of determinant is equal to 4, minus 4. So here, only the sign is changed, but the absolute value of determinant is not changed. Thirdly, if any rows or columns of a given matrix are identical, that is linearly dependent, then the value of determinant is 0. Consider the proof of the third property of determinant. Matrix A is equal to 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4. Here see, in the matrix A, the first row and the third row are identical. That means 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4. So here the value of determinant is equal to 0. Thus, if any rows or columns of a given matrix are identical, the value of determinant will become 0. Fourthly, if each element of a row or columns in a matrix is multiplied by the same constant, then the value of determinant is multiplied by the same constant. See here, matrix A is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2. And the value of determinant is equal to 4. Now we multiply the first row by 2. Then the new matrix will become matrix A is equal to 2 into 1, 4, 2, that is 2, 8, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2. And the value of matrix we gets is equal to 8. That means if each elements of a row in a matrix A is multiplied by 2, then the value of determinant is also multiplied by same constant. So see here, the value of determinant of matrix A is equal to 4. Then the second matrix A is multiplied with 2. So the value of determinant will become 8, that is 2 into 4. Fifthly, if all elements of any rows or columns are 0, the determinant is also 0. Consider the matrix A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 4, 2. Here, all the elements of the second row of matrix A are 0. Then the value of determinant also 0. Sixthly, the determinant of a triangular matrix, that is matrix with 0 elements either above or below the principal diagonal, is equal to the product of the elements on the principal diagonal. See here, matrix A is equal to 1 3 2 0 2 4 0 0 2. It is the upper triangular matrix because the elements below the principal diagonal are equal to 0. Then the value of determinant is the product of the element on the principal diagonal. So here principal diagonal elements are 1, 2, 2. Therefore, the value of determinant is equal to 1 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. I hope you are clear the properties of a determinant. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to get the updated video by clicking subscribe button and the bell icon. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.